Today at Blade Ops, we are checking out something pretty exciting today. We're going to do an unboxing of a Microtech Marfione Custom. This model, Ultratech Warhound, that amazing Vegas Forge blued Spirograph Damascus. Let's open this baby up. Pretty much all of your customs come with a really nice box, as well as a little carrying case to keep it nice and protected, as well as a nice little cleaning cloth. Let's just take a look at the birth certificate. That's cool. It's made by Anthony Marfione and Sean Marfione. No, this is going to be a gorgeous piece. But let's get right to it. Nice case. The big Marfione blade. Nice and soft on the inside. Oh man, take a look at that thing. Nice polished clip on there with the birth date and serial number. Blue anodized hardware. But the best is that blade. Look at that thing. These definitely tend to be a bit pricey, but man, it's almost worth it. Or who am I kidding? That is worth it. Such a gorgeous piece on that Warhound blade. Nice good action as always. So make sure to get your new Marfione Custom today at Blade Ops.